using life hacks that can place you in a comfort zone, you can make life easier, or even make life better. Simple methods and common sense can help quickly finish seemingly complex daily activities. Simple ideas and tactics, known as life hacks, can help you save a ton of time. They increase your output and assist you in finding rapid solutions to irksome problems. In this video, we will be looking at 8 everyday hacks to make your life easier. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. How to tidy up your desk cables. Do the cables on your desk frequently tangle and make the whole place look a mess? Are you constantly looking for the perfect cable? By using binder clips to arrange your cords, you may put a stop to these issues. 2. Fogging a mirror. There are various ways to keep your bathroom mirror from fogging up in the first place: shaving cream, vinegar, dish soap, and auto wax, to name a few. But the simplest is to give it a brief, cool shot with your hairdryer. 3. Trash bag suction issues. Pulling a bag out of a trash can is a challenge that sometimes takes 4 arms, a good squat, and a little muscle thanks to the vacuum that prevents a trash bag from easily sliding out. To solve this problem, simply drill a few holes in the side of the can to release air pressure. It makes the whole trash taking out business a lot easier. P.S. Avoid drilling the holes in the bottom, as this could cause a leaky mess. 4. Easily dispensable snacks. You can quickly pour out the correct amount of Cheerios, trail mix, and other snacks into empty coffee creamer bottles to occupy your kid, and full. They work well for storing snacks not just at home, but also at the park, in your car, or on a boat because they prevent the snacks from getting crushed. 5. How to make a cozy light. Anywhere you are, use this quick life tip to produce a comfortable light. Simply turn on the flashlight app on your smartphone and set it underneath the water bottle. 6. Painter's tape trick. Because painter's tape is designed to protect the existing paint or wallpaper, it makes sense to use it under double sticky tape before hanging posters or drawings on a wall. This makes the removal effortless and the wall protected against damage. Mind blown. 7. Keep up with bobby pins. Placing bobby pins in a tic-tac container means they're easy to throw in your bag and easy to keep up with. Bobby pins have a way of disappearing, but not with this nifty trick. 8. Golf tee trick. Because the door is wiggly because the current screw hole has been stripped, a loose door hinge can be challenging to repair. Cut off the end of the golf tee to make a flush piece of wood for your new screw after filling the hole with it and adding a little carpenter's glue. Lacking a golf tee on hand. The use of toothpicks has also been noted for this. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other hacks to make your life easier, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section.